little collection of cats on Minecraft to whatever. So, like, these are my collections. So I'm going to lay some here. Here is the Minecraft Ocelot, the tiger, like the dog, and more. I'm going to bring them in. So, these are my collections. That's it. Let's bring it back. Next, move on to my things. One broken, a little bit got broken. Sword. Dun, dun, dun. Like Disney sword. My other lightsaber. Dun, dun, dun. It's a shotgun. Pretty good. Broken here. Oh, this one's awesome. I call it the Golden Eagle from MW2. I call it the American from Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. This is not your regularly advanced warfare. It's super advanced warfare. So this one is the Nerf gun. Gun. Pac-Man. You like Pac-Man? Just like this video. Mario. See, Easter confirmed. Another penguin. Penguin many times. And then it's unlike me. What is this? Oh, this one? Bunny. Critter. So after that, we have a bear who's looking for me. I just draw in the face. So oh, Luigi, Luigi. Let me see if we can fit all those. Look at that, Luigi's right there. On to my socket. Oh, I forgot this one. A red one. This is a horn. This one. The red one's right there. You see that? See that? That's pretty awesome. Machine gun. A big Optimus Prime gun. It's pretty awesome. Look at a sound loaded thing. They never touch it. You see that? I'm shooting it. Look. Would automatically bear slowly Freddy's custom plush. Freddy, it's pretty awesome, but I just painted him. I think I call it a double one. So exactly, let me see. I'll go on to our masters. Don't be afraid. 1 minute later. Don't be afraid of me. I'm just a kid. I'm just wearing this Too Spooky for Me mask. Just that. Another gun. A purple gun that just water skated. Look at this water skate gun. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Let's move on to my favorite sport. I got some baseball collections. I think I have my favorite bat. My favorite bat is the orange one. This one is my favorite. So move back in here. And you'll see actually my mask too. Of the football collection too. Here it is. See this? This is my baseball and your baseball. I'm trying to export it on social media. Let's go here. This is my telephone. This is another mask of Star Wars Rebel. Star Wars. Out of the homie. The barn. Let me see this. More than that. A bunny. Look at this. Look at this. Snake. A rabbit's right there. A crocodile. And a minion. There's more than that. A baseball ball. If you didn't know, I like baseball balls. So that. Oh, the Luigi hat. Like that. So that's very much. Like, it's just easy. I can't. Batman! Welcome, Batman! Welcome you, Batman. It's right there. Pretty awesome. Batman is right there. You see him? Alligator. That's the end of the video. Subscribe.